Hello everyone, welcome to the section. In this session, we discuss about the topic special transformation. Today we discuss about some special transformation W is equal to Z square and also W is equal to e power Z. First one, discuss the transformation W is equal to Z square. Otherwise, we can also as find the image in the W plane corresponding to the straight lines x is equal to A, x is equal to B, y is equal to C and y is equal to D under the transformation W is equal to Z square. Solution. Consider W is equal to Z square. See here, W is equal to Z square is given. By using this, we have to find the image of the W plane. What is the image in Z plane? Image in Z plane is a straight line. Here, straight lines are x is equal to A, x is equal to B and y is equal to C and y is equal to D. By using this straight line, we find the images in W plane under the transformation W is equal to Z square. First, we show that this is in a conformal transformation. Let us apply the differentiation. dw by dz means we know that conformal transformation means what? Conformal transformation means f dash z is exist. F of z is nothing but w. Therefore, f dash is dw by dz is equal to 2z. Here, f dash z not equal to 0. Hence, the transformation is conformal. Next, let us consider z value and w value. Substitute. What is z value? Z is x plus iy and w is u plus iv. Now substitute this in w is equal to z square. U plus iv is equal to x plus iy whole square. Now u plus iv is equal to a plus b whole square, that is x square plus iy square, that is I square is in a minus 1 minus y square plus 2ixy. Now separate real part and imaginary part. What is the real part in LHS? U. In the RHS, x square minus y square. What is the imaginary part in LHS? V, which is equal to RHS is 2xy. Now call this as the equation number 1. Now, we consider the line parallel to imaginary axis. Means, here we consider these lines. These values x is equal to A, x is equal to B, y is equal to C, y is equal to D. Here x is equal to A, x is equal to B means what? Which is the straight line which is parallel to y axis. Here y axis can be taken as imaginary axis. We consider the line parallel to the imaginary axis in z plane. Otherwise, when x is equal to A. Put x is equal to A in equation 1. We get u is equal to a square minus y square and v is equal to 2ay. That is y is equal to v divided by 2a. Now from this and this we eliminate y. Therefore substitute y is equal to v divided by 2a. So u is equal to a square minus v square divided by 2a whole square. Now simplify, we get 4, here 2a whole square is 4a square. Take LCM as a 4a square. Then cross multiply, we get like that 4a square into u is equal to 4a square into a square is a 4a to the power of 4 minus v square. Rearrange the equation. When we are rearranging this equation, we can write like that v square is equal to 4 into a to the power of 4 minus 4a square into u, because we have to write in the standard form. Standard form means it is in a straight, it may be straight line or circle, parabola, ellipse or hyperbola. Now this looks like a, which one? Parabola form. We know the parabola equation. What is the parabola equation? We have y minus b whole square is equal to 4a into x minus a form. Otherwise, x minus a whole square is equal to 4a into y minus b form. Here v square. Here u is of degree 1. Therefore, we can express in terms of v square. V square is equal to 4a to the power of 4 minus 4a square into u. This can be written as the standard form, that is v square is equal to 4a square common in this RHS, take outside, we get a square minus u. According to the parabola equation, standard equation, y square is equal to 4a, what is parabola equation? Y minus b whole square is equal to 4a into x minus a form, x minus a. So here real axis is in a u coefficient is in a negative, so take outside negative sign, make it this one as a positive, then we write like that, v square is equal to minus 4a square u minus a square. Now which is represent the parabola in which plane? In u and v means which plane? W plane with vertex. What are the vertex? Here what is the CS? V vertex is 0 and u vertex is a square. Therefore, this can be written as a square comma 0, because the standard equation is what? Y minus b whole square is equal to 4a into x minus a. X minus a. Vertex are a comma b. Here vertex are a square comma, in the place here we have 0, and which is symmetrical about, which is a, this is in a parabola which is symmetrical about the real axis and moving towards negative. See here minus sign is there, therefore it is moving towards the negative symmetric real axis. Thus the transformation W is equal to Z square transforms, W is equal to Z square transform from straight line, which line is parallel to which axis? Line parallel to imaginary axis into a set of a confocal parabola in W plane. Now this is the image. This is the image in Z plane. This is the image in W plane. See here y x is equal to a and x is equal to b are given, which are parallel to imaginary axis. Parallel to imaginary axis means this is y axis. Here x is equal to a, which x is equal to a. This is in a x is equal to a, which is a straight line parallel to y axis. Its image will be this one, parabola with vertex a square comma 0, symmetrical about which axis? X axis. X axis means this is the real axis, means this is the real axis, u axis. Okay, it is symmetrical about real axis and towards 2. Here we have the two axis, one is negative and also positive axis, but here it going towards to move towards negative axis because of this one, because of negative sign. Suppose it is in a positive, it is moving towards positive axis. Okay, then this is x is equal to b, this line image will be here. Here vertex is b square comma 0. So these are the required region in the z plane. This is transformed to w plane, like this is the w plane image. Means the straight line which is parallel to imaginary axis is transformed to the w plane in the parabola symmetrical about the x axis with vertex a square comma 0 and b square comma 0. Next we goes to the another case. What is the another case? We consider the line parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis means we can consider y is equal to c and y is equal to d. Therefore, let us consider y is equal to c. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ c and d ಅಂದರೆ which is line are parallel to x axis. ನಾವು c ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಒಂದೇ d ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಒಂದೇ, ನಮಗೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ c ಬದಲಿಗೆ d ಮಾತ್ರ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟೀಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. If y is equal to c, given equation 1 can be written as u is equal to x square minus c square and v is equal to 2xc. Now, among this, we can write for x variable. So x is equal to v divided by 2c. Now substitute x is equal to v by 2c. Here we get u is equal to v square by 4c square minus c square. Now rearrange this equation. We write 4c square into u is equal to v square minus 4 into c square. C square is c to the power of 4. Now write this in the standard form of the parabola equation. V square is equal to 4c square u minus becomes plus 4c to the power of 4. In the RHS, what is the common function? 4c square. So take 4c square outside, remaining is u plus c square. Now this can be written as, now we have to write, this is in the form of standard equation of parabola. V minus 0 whole square is equal to 4c square u minus of minus c square. The plus c square can be written as minus of minus c square, because standard equation is y minus b whole square is equal to 4a into x minus a. Now this represents the parabola with vertex. What is the vertex? Minus c square comma 0. And which is symmetrical about which axis? It is symmetrical about real axis, because here what is the even power? Even for the v axis. Therefore it is symmetrical about u axis. And moving towards positive axis, because here 4c square coefficient is positive and it is moving towards to positive. Thus the transformation w is equal to z square transforms line parallel to the real axis into a set of a confocal parabolas in w plane. See here, this is the diagram. Here first we write the z plane. Z plane means y is equal to c, which is parallel to x axis, and one more term, that is y is equal to d, that is also parallel to x axis. Now this shaded region is the required region. Now this images in the w plane. That image w plane ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, it is in a parabola. What are the vertex? Minus c square comma 0. Minus c square comma 0 means here. Okay. Now it is moving towards real axis. Real axis is what? Real axis ಅಂದ್ರೆ u. u ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ u ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇರೋದು ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟುವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಟು like that u axis. And see here, this is minus d square comma 0. So this is the another parabola for this image y is equal to d. Okay, this is the image. Next we discuss about the another transformation. This is also standard transformation, that is w is equal to e power z. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಥರ ಅವರು ಝೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅಥವಾ ಸಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿ ತೊಗೋತೀವಿ, ವೈಗೆ ಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಝೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವೇ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೈ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ w is equal to e power z. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮಲ್ ಹೌದು ಅಲ್ವೋ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ dw by dz is equal to differentiation of e power z is e power z itself. e power z is not equal to 0. Hence the given transformation is a conformal. Now w is equal to u plus iv and e to the power of what is that? X plus iy. u plus iv is equal to e to the power of x into e to the power of I into y. u plus iv is equal to e to the power of x into what is e to the power of I into y? e to the power of I into y can be written as cos y plus I sin y. Now separate real part and imaginary part. u is equal to e power x cos y and v is equal to e power x into sin y. Now call it as equation number 1. Now squaring this equation 1. See, squaring and adding, we get what is squaring of the LHS? U square is equal to e power x cos y whole square and v square is equal to e power x sin y whole square. Then what is the LHS? LHS is u square plus v square is equal to e power x cos y whole square means e power 2x into cos square y. Among these two, e power 2x is in a common, take outside cos square y plus sin square y. What is cos square y plus sin square y? Cos square y plus sin square y is 1. Therefore, u square plus v square is equal to e to the power of 2x. Now, put x is equal to a. Consider case 1. Put x is equal to a. When we put x is equal to a, x is equal to a means what? It is in a line which is parallel to the imaginary axis. Okay. Then u square plus v square is equal to e to the power of 2x, that is e to the power of 2a. This is the, this represents the circle with center as a 0, 0 and radius is in the place of r square we have e to the power of 2a, that is this can be written as e to the power of a whole square. Therefore r is equal to e to the power of a. ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಲೇ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸಿ ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಇನ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ u is equal to e to the power of a cos y and v is equal to e to the power of a sin y. Then cos y is equal to u by e power a and sin y is equal to v by e power a. Squaring and adding we get u square divided by e to the power of 2a plus v square divided by e to the power of 2a is equal to 1. That is u square plus v square is equal to e to the power of 2a. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದೇ ಮೆಥಡು, ಬಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ, ಇದೇ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಯು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 2x ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ಹಾಕಿದರೆ ಯು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 2a ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಎರಡೂ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಗಿನ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ಸೇ ಈಸಿಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಥಡು, which is represent a circle with center as a origin and radius is e power a in a w plane. Hence we conclude that the transformation w is equal to e power z transforms the line which is parallel to imaginary axis in z plane into a set of concentric circles in w plane. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ here u square plus v square is equal to e to the power of 2a. Here we take x is equal to a, we get e to the power of 2a. Suppose x is equal to b, then we get e to the power of 2b. Therefore it is in a concentric circle. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ a ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೋಂಥದ್ದು. ಈಗ a ಅನ್ನೋದು 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಗೆ 1 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನಂತೀವಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎನ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. This is a figure diagram of the given case 1. See here, in z plane ನಾವು ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, x is equal to a ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, x is equal to b ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ z ಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋಂಥ ಇಮೇಜು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಅದೇನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇದು 0, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ದ, it is in a circle with center as a 0, 0 and radius is e power a. Radius is e power a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟರ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಔಟರ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ, ಲೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋಂಥದ್ದು, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋಂಥ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಲು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಆಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆರಿಜಿನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಬಂತು. ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್, ಯು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಇ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ 2b. ಸೊ 2 ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಬರೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಂಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸ್ 2 ಯಾವುದು, y ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Therefore, let us consider y is equal to c. Put y is equal to c in equation 1. What is equation 1? This is the equation 1. U is equal to e power x cos y and v is equal to e power x sin y. Substitute y is equal to c in that equation. We get u is equal to e power x cos c and v is equal to e power x sin c. Now, divide u and v. U by is otherwise. This can also be written as u by cos c. Here x is in a variable, cos c is in a constant. So this can be written as e power x is equal to u divided by cos c, and sin c can be written as, e power x can be written as v by sin c. Here RHS are same, then here RHS are same, then we are comparing the, or we are equating the LHS. We get u by cos c is equal to v by sin c. That is v is equal to, sin c by cos c. What is sin c by cos c? Tan c is equal to u. Here what is c? C is in a constant, tan c is also a constant. Now it is in the form of v is equal to tan c into u. It is in the form of v is equal to m into u. V is equal to m into u. Otherwise, it is in the form of y is equal to mx. Y is equal to mx means what? Y is equal to mx means it is in a straight line passing through the origin. It is in a straight line passing through the origin. M means what? M is in a tangent. So this tan c is in a constant, therefore it represents it is in a straight line. It which is a straight line passing through the origin in W plane. So this is the equation for y is equal to c. Suppose y is equal to d, we get one more equation, y is equal to tan d into u. Therefore, thus the transformation W is equal to e power z transformed line parallel to real axis in z plane into a set of a line passing through the origin in W plane. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಝೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಲೈನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ? 2 ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಒಂದು y is equal to c, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು y is equal to d ಲೈನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ W ಪ್ಲೇನಲ್ಲೂ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು v is equal to m1u, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು v is equal to m2u ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು. here y is equal to c ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, y is equal to d ಅಂದರೆ another line, v is equal to what? Tan d into u. So this is the image of the W plane. A line parallel to real axis in Z plane is transformed to like that. Okay, thank you. In the next classes, we discuss about another transformation, that is sin Z, and one more transformation. Thank you.